Students, in last class we saw about the packing efficiency. So how the uh, crystals are packing in one direction and two-dimensional direction and three-dimensional packing. So packing in crystals over. So today I am going to explain about packing efficiency. So packing fraction or efficiency is defined as the percentage of the total volume occupied by the constituent spheres which gives the packing efficiency of an arrangement. So for a simple cubic or body centered or face centered cubic arrangement, how the constituent spheres which are arranged and how much its packing efficiency is arranged to form the entire crystal. So for that we have to know about what is packing fraction or efficiency is very important question. The formula for calculation of packing fraction or packing efficiency equal to the total volume occupied by spheres in unit cell divided by volume of the whole unit cell multiplied with 100. So total volume occupied by the spheres in the unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell, because volume of the unit cell is entirely different from the volume occupied by spheres. See, in each corner or body centered or face centered, some spheres are there. So their total volume divided by the entire volume of the unit cell multiplied with 100, which gives the packing fraction or efficiency. Next, we are going to see about the packing efficiency in simple cubic arrangement, body centered cubic arrangement and face centered cubic unit cell. So before, for the calculation part, we have to know the formula. Volume of a cube equal to a cube, that means if the edge length is a means it is a cube. Volume of a sphere we know 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then using Pythagoras theorem, that is ac squared equal to ab squared plus bc squared. By using these formulas only, we are going to find out the packing fraction for simple cubic, body centered and face centered cubic unit cell. So first type for packing efficiency for finding out for simple cubic arrangement, let us consider a cube with an edge length a. That means in normal cube, that is simple cube, its edge length, that is one side it is a. So we know the volume of a cube with the edge length a means it is a cube. And also the radius of the sphere in each corners, that is sphere is present, its radius is equal to r. Now a equal to 2r, that means full length which is equal to 2r. Now r equal to a by 2. Now we are knowing r value, that is radius value. Now volume of the sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute this r value here, 4 by 3 pi a by 2 the whole cube. 4 by 3 pi a cube by 2 cube means it is 8. So 4 and 8 will be cancelled, then we get pi a cube by 6. So this is the volume of the sphere. Now in simple cubic, the number of spheres belongs to unit cell. We already know number of atoms per simple cubic is 1. For body centered 2. For face centered it is 4. So we have to memory that one. So for simple cubic, the number of spheres belongs to unit cell is 1, because only corners, only atoms are present. So each corner which is shared by 8 other unit cell. So it is 8 into 1 by 8, it is equal to 1. Therefore total volume equal to is 1 into this pi a3 by 6. So which is gives pi a3 by 6. Now we get a total volume of the sphere. This value which will be divided by the volume of the sphere. So we get pi a cube by 6. Then because packing efficiency formula is total volume of the sphere divided by volume of the entire unit cell. So pi a cube by 6 divided by this volume of a cube, that is a cube, into 100. So if you simplify this one, this 100, that is a cube and a cube will get cancelled. Then 100 pi divided by 6, we get a 52.31% of atoms, that is packing efficiency. That is in simple cubic, only the corners only filled in the unit cell. That is simple unit cell, only the corner atoms which is present only at the corner, not at the body center and not at the face center, because only 52.31% of packing only present in the simple cubic unit cell. This is the second question. How will you calculate the packing efficiency of a body centered cubic arrangement? Very important question. It's a book back question. It's an important detail also. So in triangle, it's considered it's a cube. In triangle ABC, is AC squared equal to AB squared and BC squared. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, AC equal to square root of AB squared plus BC squared. In each side there is edge length which is equal to A. Therefore AC equal to root of AB, the value is A squared, and here also A squared. Then we get value AC equal to root 2A. So now in the triangle ACG, when we comparing ACG, because it is a body centered, no, so all the 8 corners as well as body centered atoms is present. So we have to take 2 triangles. In the triangle ACG, AG squared equal to AC squared plus CG squared. So here the value AC value is root 2A. So this value is root 2A, and the CG squared is equal to A squared. So by calculating the AG value, we get root 3A. So now we get AC value root 2A. By using this, we find out AG equal to root 3A. So next, root 3A means this value AG equal to root 3. Why, how we get this 4R means, here this length, that is radius is 2R. When we adding this one, that means here also radius and this is also radius. So we get here 4R. So R equal to root, that means here radius means here one cube, that is one sphere is there. That sphere which will touch the body, center of the body cell. So I will show the next picture. So this, the atoms which is present at the corner which will touch the center of the body cell, and here also. So 2 radius will be there, and here 1 2R, totally 4R. So therefore R equal to root 3A by 4. Now volume of the sphere we know 4 by 3 pi R cube. So substitute this R value here, 4 by 3 pi into root 3A by 4 the whole cube. So root 3 the whole cube can be split up into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So instead of either writing that root 3 into root 3, write as 3, and 3 root 3A cube divided by 4 cube, that is 4 into 4 into 4. This 4 and 4 get cancelled, this 3 and 3 get cancelled. We get root 3 pi A cube by 4 16. So this value is the volume of the sphere. Now we know in the body centered cubic arrangement, the total number of atoms in body centered cube is 2. Already we saw in the calculation of number of atoms in BCC is 2. So total volume equal to 2 into this value. So 2 into root 3 pi A cube by 16, we get root 3 pi A cube by 8. So we find out the volume of the sphere as well as we know the edge, that is volume of the sphere, that is A cube. Now this value for calculating packing fraction, the total volume of the sphere in the unit in the BCC divided by volume of the cube, that is A cube, into 100. If we simplify, we get only 68%. When we comparing the simple cubic and body centered cubic, in simple cubic it is only 52.31% only, because atoms only at the corner. But in body centered, all the 8 corners as well as body centered. So the packing efficiency is somewhat increases when compared to the simple cubic. So in body centered it is 68%. So this value also important, very very important question. Very simple. First we have to know packing fraction. This is the total volume of the sphere. Here volume of the unit cell into 100. For that we have to find out using these calculations. Type for packing efficiency calculation is for face centered cubic unit cell. In face centered means all the 8 corners and all the 8 corners as well as 6 face centered. So very closed packing. So the cubic close packing is based on face centered cubic. From the figure, that is AC, in the triangle ABC, AC equal to, here only AC equal to 2R is given, but totally if we consider the atoms at the corners, then here one sphere radius and here one sphere radius, so totally how much? 4R will be there. So 4R which is equal to A root 2 and R equal to A root 2 by 4. So the radius of the sphere in face centered cubic is equal to A root 2 by 4. Now in the triangle AC square, AB square plus BC square is according to Pythagoras theorem. Then AC equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. Then AB value is A square, that is A, BC also A. So square, so root of 2A square. Then AC is equal to root 2A. Now we know the volume of the sphere, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute the r cube r value, that is a root 2 by 4 here. If we simplify, a root 2 cube means a cube, root 2 root 2 root 2 by 4 cube. So this root 2 into root 2 changes into 2 root 2 by 4 cube, value is 64. When we cancel this one, 4 and 2, 8, and this one cancel is we get 8. So 8 3s are 24. So root 2 pi a cube by 24. This is the volume of the sphere. Now the total number of sphere for FCC is 4. So total volume of all sphere, which is equal to 4 into root 2, this value root 2 pi a cube by 24, we get this value. Now according to packing efficiency formula, the total volume of all spheres divided by volume of the unit cell. So root 2 pi a cube by 6 by divided by a cube into 100, we get this value. Root 2 value is 1.414, pi value 3.14 to 100 by 6. If we simplify, we get 74%. So when we compare the simple cubic body centered and face centered, the value, that is packing efficiency for face centered cubic is maximum, that is 74%, and for body centered cubic only 68%, and very least for a simple cubic is 52.31. So far we saw about the packing efficiency in simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic unit cell. Thank you, children.